Alright guys, today I will tell you how you can run specifically on story on Facebook or Instagram. Story ads are really important. They work really amazing. So when you run a campaign, you run on all the placements like Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, Facebook Story, Instagram Story, Post, and everywhere you're running your ad. But if you want to run a specific placement ads, how you can do it. So today I will show you how you can do that. So before that, I have an important message to give you. I will soon be launching my schools community where I will give all the resources which are currently on my website and more which will be not available for everyone on YouTube or anywhere else. Currently, what you need to do is go to my website, foxdigital.io, click on free resources, and here you will see a form. So what you need to do, fill this form. Once you fill this form, you will get to this page where you can get these free resources right now. They're really amazing. You can get a high converting ad script prompt. You can get it from here. You can download the custom metrics. If you don't know what are these, I have a video on this. Just watch that and download this from here. So all these resources are really amazing. But after I launch my community, I will not be posting any resources here on the website. They will only for my paid members in the schools community. So once you submit your details here, I will have your email address. Once I launch my schools community, I will send you the invitation directly to that community. So you will have all the resources over there and I will be posting everything over there. And also I will be having live sessions on Zoom every week on the community. You can ask me questions over there. You can show me your campaigns. I will give you guides and everything that how you can perform or the campaigns you already have live. I can give you tips that how you can make it perform better. So you can ask me all type of questions related to your ads over there. So, and I will be available for you in my community. In YouTube, I will be keep posting videos, but all my premium content will be available on the Stu's community. So let's jump into our today's video. Alright, so what we need to do to create only Instagram story or Facebook story specific placement ads. So if you're already running a campaign, you can also edit the campaign and change your placements in your ad. But I'm showing you how you create it from the scratch. So it doesn't matter if you choose any type of campaign objective. It can be awareness, traffic, engagement, lead, or any type of campaign objectives. So I'll start with the traffic one. So here what you need to do, we'll just click manual traffic campaign and continue. Once you do that, you can set up your campaign. The high level of your campaign setup is the campaign setup. You can set it however you want, but the important place where you set up everything is in your ad set area. If you want to only run ads specific to that location, that can be done in ad set area, and you can create different type of ad sets for different placements. So once you're here, just scroll down and you will see the placements here. So what this area does, it allows you to select which placements you want to run ads on. Normally it selects all the placements. If you click on show more, and it will give you more option here. But what we need to do, we will just click on edit and here manual placements. So in this area, it will show you all the placements your ads will be displayed and how they will display. So if you over each of them, it will change the display and show you how your ads will be displayed to users on those areas. So now what we'll do, we just close the audience network and the messenger. So if we only want to run ads on Instagram, we can just close the Facebook and this ad will only be run only be live on Instagram. So what we can do here, we can just close this, and all the other options which we don't are add to be displayed. And then once we do that, we only have the placement left Instagram stories, and you can also add Facebook stories, but you need to turn on the Facebook placement, and then you can also run on Instagram and Facebook stories only. So this is the way you can run specific placement ads using the ad set settings. So guys, I hope you understand the process. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.